Hello, you're welcome. Today we have another interesting integral from MIT Integration B. The integral from 0 to 1 x to the power of 2024 minus 1 divided by the ln of x dx. So in this video, I'm going to make use of the Feynman technique. Okay? Now let us start by defining a function. So let's say we have I of a equals the integral from 0 to 1 x raised to the power of a minus 1 then divided by the ln of x dx. And we can see that our solution should be I of 2024, right? So this is our I. Okay, now what if a is equal to 0? Let's see. I of 0 is going to be equal to, remember, x to the power of 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So the numerator becomes 0, which makes the integral 0. So this is very important, that I of 0 is equal to 0. Now, according to Feynman, let us differentiate both sides with respect to a. Okay, so here it's going to be I prime of a. So this is going to be equal to the partial derivative with respect to a of integral from 0 to 1 of x to the power of a minus 1 divided by the natural log of x dx. So this is same as the integral from 0 to 1, then the partial derivative with respect to a of x to the power of a minus 1 divided by the natural log of x and then dx. So from here, I prime of a is going to be equal to the integral from 0 to 1. Now the derivative of x to the power of a will give us x raised to the power of a multiplied by the ln of the base, which is x. Remember that the negative 1 there is a constant, so its derivative is 0. So here divided by the ln of x and then dx. So these both get cancelled and we are left with the integral from 0 to 1 of x to the power of a dx, which is equivalent to x to the power of a plus 1 divided by a plus 1 with our limit from 0 to 1. Okay, so from here, I prime of a is equal to, now put the upper limit, so we get 1 raised to the power of a plus 1 is 1 divided by a plus 1 minus, put the lower limit, that would be 0. So this is giving us 1 all over a plus 1. Now from here, we're going to integrate both sides with respect to a. So the integral of I prime of a is going to be equal to the integral of 1 all over a plus 1 dA. Okay. So the left-hand side is I of a, which is equal to, this is going to give us the natural log of a plus 1, right? And then plus c. Now, let us recall that I of 0 is equal to 0. So in this case, we're going to let a equal 0, then we get I of 0 is going to be equal to the ln of 0 plus 1, then plus c. Remember, our target is to solve for this constant. So the left-hand side, I of 0, remember, that is equal to 0. So this is equal to natural log of 1 is 0, and then plus c. So we see that our c is equal to 0. Therefore, I of a is equal to the integral from 0 to 1 of x to the power of a minus 1 divided by the ln of x dx, that this is equal to the ln of a plus 1. Just simple like that. I think we're done, right? So we just need to let a equals 2024 and boom, we have our solution. Integral from 0 to 1 of x to the power of 2024 minus 1 divided by the ln of x dx. So this is equal to the natural log of 2024 plus 1, right? Which is just the natural log of 2025. So this right over here is our solution. Thank you for watching. Please, if you really enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe, also like, comment, and share.